Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Behind me here is the Subaru 1914. It's like a 86 Toyota, a Subaru non-turbo. It's one of the worst Subaru rear-wheel drive. This is my friend's son, next door neighbor. Okay, and he got the problems with the clutch, but I would say this car is the problem because this car engine they don't last. And you see the smoke here. Is the engine nearly gone, but he don't believe me. He said still running, but this car, like the 86, one of the worst Subaru ever make rear-wheel drive. It's copied the Toyota, between Toyota and Subaru together. And the clutch noise, I will start it up and let you hear the clutch noise. And we already have the car look nice. 6-speed manual. 6-speed manual, 5-seater, look very nice. But the clutch here, we order aftermarket Exodus heavy duty. Okay, heavy duty come clutch with the brand new one and the brand new clutch here. The heavy duty in Exodus have to be red. Okay. And I will start it up and we'll show you how the noise. We will start it up and show you how and what the noise like. Okay, look, you can hear. You hear the noise? Yeah. When you put on here a little bit, you hear? Okay, that's what we have to replace the bearings. This car still driving. The clutch is not that bad. But the bearing, brush bearing inside is very bad. Look, see, and it's make noise. It restricts the speed. That means it speed up the bearings. But actually, I don't like it because I get used to my Honda. I feel very uncomfortable in here. Okay, not very good at all. For me, never buy this car. So what I do today is show you a bit, but we will replace the clutch. Okay, we open up. And yesterday I came around and checked the car and asked him how long have he finished service the car. He said 1 week, but the air filter never changed. I show him that one. But this engine is not that good. Okay, this engine, my friends, he used to have one Toyota 86. He been replaced 3 times the engines, 3 times, and still no good. Okay, we're gonna do exactly the same. We're gonna do the top bit out, get all the top bit out, all the top one out, and then we check up underneath and we'll be right. We need something to make the car stand at the back higher, which may stand the car at the back up to 3 bricks. You know, when you work at home, sometimes you deal with tall, higher car different. And today I deal with something very low. I need 3 bricks on each side for the back before I check the front up. Now we're gonna start take up the battery first, and then clutch pedal go one side, start the motors, and all the top, anything attack here, take it off first, like other cars, and we'll be right. Hopefully we can see underneath the bloody frames cover. The gearbox is annoying, and hopefully we can take up the gear knobs here and remove the gear stick out easily. Good trick for the Subaru starter motor 14. You're here. My face is a very hot day. Turn it off, not easy for you. How you take it out? How you get back in? I enjoy what I do. Sweaty, hot, but enjoy something new. So we keep learning each day, never stop learning to do the difference between all the cars. Okay, earth wire, and even humidity, hot, but I love it. This is similar how you start. Oh fuck me. Take off the starter motor. The 14 here, 14 there. Take off the flux and you can see it, okay? So I have to pick up my bloody tools. And we can undo the ear knob stick. Pull out and lift up here. Okay, much easy to take off this side bar. Yeah, sneak the starter motor and leave it here, and one more bolt on top, and we go down bottom. One more that bolt there. Gonna lift this one up. Pull this one up. Now even this little knuckle here. For this car, the shitted one is the aerodynamics, bloody covers everywhere. So all that shit have to take off. Even the exhaust take off from here. Exhaust from the catalytic converter to the back of that joint. This joint here, it come up, and then we can undo the tail shaft. Three pieces, and I try to be lazy way, but I can't get it out, so I have to take off from the tail shaft here, because the down there we can't go up down because too low, so we do it from here. So we get number 14 and do them all out. And remember, direction of the bolt is from the back go in. So later when this bolt, when you install, please put some Loctite. See, one of the most hardest car I ever removed, because the stupid motherfucker replaced that two bolts that's holding dead down there. That's one point. And here the gear shifter is stupid, one of motherfucker design. Very stupid in this Subaru, to be honest. I don't give any credit for this one, for the linkage and holding the gear shift like this. And even someone weld the bastard here cannot even get this bolt out. It's ridiculous. That's one of the most difficult one I ever seen. The bearing, fuck. Oh shit. This bearing is shit. It's hard. Look, it's hard. See? Oh, spinning. Shit. Look at that. Have some fun, brother. Shit. So much dust in the bloody old clutch, killing my eyes. Oh, come on, man, stop spinning, man. Close my eye. Fuck. Oh, it got 6 bolts out. They close my eyes, okay? Oh shit. Oh man, where is it? Bloody hell, this screwdriver too long. I have to get the short one. Where's the short one? Fuck you. Come here, bitch. Come here, man. Come here. Oh, shit. Ah. New clutch come with the spigot bearing 60201. Come with the push bearing, clutch, and the pressure plate, and the clip that holding the this one. So it's good. So now we try to put the spigot bearing on. This one outside, and this one, the thick one, thin one. This one go into the flywheel where the bolt is. Go on like this in the car. Okay, go on like. The new clutch here, light up, and we push it on. 2 bolts underneath light up. Check up the jack level and then push it in straight away. We put everything back, and next time if you want to remove the gearbox, very hard, but you have to try. Much easy. Then you have to take up the rubber, take up that pin, slide this one out, and take up the pin on side here, and release this one and leave this one on the top there, and chop the gearbox down. Later when you have to sneak and put it back exactly like how I did. It is very difficult. For the Subaru, for the look on the top is no trouble, but for take it off and put in is so amazing. with that stupid design gear stick is ridiculous. The old motor is not that hard, but this rear-wheel drive is terrible. I was deal with a lot of difficult car, but this one is a shitty design and shit one to take off the gearbox. Very terrible. Look easy, but not easy like you think. Okay. Console on. This is how you take off the 4 bolt. We need something short to go in for number 12. But I say don't have to take it off, but honestly, take this one off, sneak all the rubber out to do the job much easy than if you don't take it off. You want to waste you another 1 hour, so save you 1 hour to do from here. Sneaky hand. So make sure put everything back for them now. Put in here very steady, bit by bit, and you can get the result. See, 100% no railing. Okay, slide this one on. There's the plug here, right? I don't know what they for, man. Just rubbish, you know. Just rubbish like that. Okay, slide in and done. This one go down. I got this one perfect. Right in the middle. See, that's what we want. Okay, see, right in the middle, super strong. Good for my boy to do reverse here. Gearbox install, everything complete, everything inside perfectly. Now what we do is to put the fairy on and put the berry on and start it, see how it goes. Start it up and try to get in the gear. If it's good, we put all the cover back in, out the gear and put in a little bit, see how it like. Okay, see how the gear changing like. Okay, first time on TV. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 0. Go. Beautiful. Beautiful. We have nothing to complain. Okay. Very good. It's good, ready, done. And that's how we replace the gearbox. No more noise. Okay, all good. Because the car been tuning like this to make everyone easy to drive. That's all. For me, I don't need it. But some people don't know they rev too high and release the clutch. That's why they burn the clutch very easy. It's all depends on how you're driving. Oh, everything good now. Happy. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching videos. This is a bit long process and it's very hard for first time. And replace the clutch for this car, and which is very wet day and it's fully job done. I'm very happy. Thank you for watching Simon 2. See ya.